The next generation towing experience is here with innovative ShockDrop technology. The ShockDrop technology is a flexible polyurethane isolator that's integrated within the towing system to create an adaptive dynamic towing solution engineered to suppress vibrations, rattling, and strain on the tow vehicle. A traditional metal-on-metal towing connection directly transfers every bump and pothole into vibrations, rattling, and noise inside your vehicle. Towing products that utilize ShockDrop technology combat these annoyances at the source to maximize driver and passenger comfort. The cushioned isolators absorb vibrations to promote a smooth, more enjoyable journey. The ShockDrop isolators dynamically react to jerking and jarring, limiting the effects on the vehicle and trailer and giving the driver increased control on the road. ShockDrop technology also helps preserve a tow vehicle's systems by reducing strain and impacts between your vehicle's suspension, trailer hitch, and the cargo you're towing. Unlike a cushion hitch with an airbag or bearings that are subject to excessive wear, ShockDrop technology is virtually maintenance-free and is tested for thousands of cycles for absolute confidence in your towing equipment. Feel the difference with CURT ShockDrop technology.